ladies and gentlemen. It's me, Mikey Pipes. We're heading to an existing client. We did an oil to gas conversion for him, a ductless mini split system for him. Now we're gonna do the final rough-in of a basement bathroom. We're gonna be utilizing the Uponor expansion PEX system. This is PEX A. This gives you more of a flow rate through the PEX. Hopefully we'll be using the MegaPress for the steam and also MegaPress G for the gas, so you're gonna love it. I have the other mic coming, and for backup, we have Peter. In the meantime, I'd like to give a special shout out to Chet. Chet just donated $25 to the Mikey Pipes Philanthropy charitable organization, where we provide free or low cost plumbing, heating, and cooling services to those who can't afford to hire a professional. Thank you so much for helping the community with plumbing and heating services. Your $25 donation really means a lot. Thank you. We are a registered IRS 501c3 charity, so your donation is considered tax deductible. All right, let's go to this job. Smash that thumbs up button and consider subscribing if you haven't already done so. And maybe I'll even send you a Happy Meal. Peter, take that spot right there. One of the things I really hate about Floral Park and parts of Queens, and that's parking. That's one of the main reasons that I don't go to Manhattan. Parking is just, forget about it. All right, so here is that nice, beautiful Steam Max 100 by US Boiler. We used the Viega MegaPress fittings when we did this oil to gas conversion. Really, really nice. And all right, so here is the bathroom. That is a new angle corner shower, 36 by 36. This toilet is being roughed in against this wall. Why is it not being roughed against this wall? Well, homeowner didn't want to move it and thought that he was smarter than us, so that's where it stayed. This gas pipe, this 3/4 inch gas pipe, we're gonna cut this back. We're gonna cap that more than likely. We're gonna cut a MegaPress T in, probably right over here, and then come across down for our gas piping to our dryer, gas dryer. The washing machine's going there, followed by the sink. Mike is running some PEX. It's not by Uponor. Uponor at my supply house was unavailable. We may put an elbow there. Very good. And that's gonna go to our shower body, which is gonna be right here. There's a lot going on right here. Maybe put it on this wall. Yep, I think we're gonna do that this wall. We're gonna put some elbows there, and we're gonna use some insulators to secure all the piping to the insides of these 2x3 studs. We're gonna connect to here. We're gonna keep these valves here. Maybe we'll brush these up, clean these up, make it look nice and pretty. This will be the emergency shutoffs for this laundry and half bath. A bathroom technically has to have a lavatory sink in it, doesn't it, Mike?
There's a sink in this one?
No, technically a bathroom, a half bath, would be a toilet and a sink. What do you consider a shower and a toilet? A 3/8 bathroom? Maybe. If you're using the 3/8 of or 3/4 of a bath, all right, you use the facilities to do a number one and number two, no, doing your business, then how do you wash your hands? In the shower? All right, so the homeowner is supplying this wash machine box, and they got it by Crimp, which is PEX B. So we're just using our PEX A. I'm gonna put a T there, and then an elbow there. I'm using these, what I call 1/2 inch Mickey Mouses. They're insulators, and we're just gonna secure them to the back wall of that. Let's see an elbow, if an elbow will fit on there. Purpose of this system is that when the ring is installed over the PEX, right there, we use that expansion tool by Uponor expansion tool. Hold that for a few seconds. It expands it briefly, and then it restricts back down, and it spends its whole entire life shrinking back down around the fitting. You'll never be able to separate that. But the pipe is more than likely to bust and split before that will come apart. That's one of the great things about PEX A. Like if it freezes up, it's less likely to burst. Huh? No, it has a little stop right there, and oh, this one was previously expanded. So much for it going back to original size. There you go. And we have the elbow ready.
Take it up a hair.
Okay. Cut off just a C hair off of right there. You know C hair, right?
Of course.
Just a C hair. See? How many Polacks does it take to put a fitting into a pipe? None. We're not Polish. Oh! We have 14 inches center from there to there. Now we have 14 inches puts us right there. 14 inches. Beautiful. All right, let's get some couple screws. Let's screw the shower body in. Now this is the outlet to the shower head. So let's take a measurement from there to there. 19 inches, perfect. So cut another piece, 19 inches. I sent Peter to the pile of fittings on the floor, and I said, Peter, grab a drop your elbow. The first thing he gives me is a 1/2 inch expansion 90. Why is it called a drop your elbow? Because it's got these little ears on it, and you can drop it down on the floor like that. General rule of thumb, when you're putting shower heads in, it's up there. They're a little shorter than me, and we have this steam piping in the way for now, but we're gonna put that right there. Looks like we're gonna be 27¼ inches. 1/2 inch expansion pecs. So let's double check from the wall to the center. Now we need to measure there. You want it to be 14. And whatever that one is, you want that to be same. All right, so you're basically right around there. Perfect. Screw that in. Spider bit, also known as the opener. Awesome drill bit, makes holes like it's butter. Mike is cutting in a full 2-inch TY. It's gonna go on top of that Y with the 45 on it. And on top of that is gonna be our vent, and we're gonna put a mechanical vent up there. Laundry sink, and it'll work. The next part of our job, while Mike is working on that, trap and stand pipe, and there's gonna be a vent that's gonna go there. We'll do a mechanical vent, air admittance valve. We're gonna run gas, and we need to cut this 3/4 inch gas line to add a T. We're gonna add a T here, and we're gonna shoot it across here and then down. We're gonna make sure the gas is off. I'm gonna cut this pipe. So the gas is off. Now we're gonna cut the pipe. All right, now we're gonna use some emery paper, and we're gonna sand down. Oh, it's gonna clean off the pipe. A little bit of rust on there and some paint. We don't want that on there when we press on the MegaPress gas T. Now we're using the Milwaukee M18 bandsaw. We're gonna cut all this out. There you go. Now, let's cut that. So now Peter is using some emery. You know what? Let's paint it on, right? Grab one of the metal brushes that we have and put it on the drill. You know where the metal brushes are? Very upsetting. See? Look at that. You almost skinned yourself with that thing. Are you all right there, or are you gonna be? Let me do it for you. I'll do it for you. You sure? But that way we put our MegaPress fitting on there, we'll be good to go. So we're working on this 1¼ inch steam main that we had to relocate. We're using the by Viega, the MegaPress. We cleaned off the end. Just like that, she's pressed. So our next fitting on the end of the steam main is a Viega, and this is a 2 by 1 inch press by female adapter. Out of that female tapping, at the top of that T, we're gonna add about a 6 or 8 inch nipple with a coupling and then a steam main air valve. That way we duplicate what we took out, and then we can return back with our dry return to our return pipe going back to the boiler. Perfect. There is our 2 by 1 inch MegaPress by female T, but if you notice, it kicked up a little bit when we were pressing that in, and that's because there's a phenomenon called deflection. I'll let the gentleman over at Viega explain that, but look how flying that is compared to that one, which is perfect amount of pitch going down, because that's what we're connecting to this, right? So I could easily grab a piece of 2 inch, right? Maybe 3 or 4 feet long and try to bend that down a little bit, but I don't have that. I have a 2 inch nipple. I'm gonna put that in there. I have a length of 1¼ inch pipe remaining, okay? And I'm gonna use that to fix that deflection. And watch how I do this. It's a little bit of energy. And now we're almost dead level. Let's give that a little bit extra on there. Just a little bit of pitch right there. That little bubble is just about touching that line. All right, if I back pitch that right? Water is going to accumulate here, condensate, and when that steam traveling around 35, 40 miles an hour hits this pocket of water, right, it's going to bang like this, right? When that happens, homeowner's not going to be happy. By just bending that down just a little bit more. Awesome. He's learning. He'll get it. This is our last fitting. We took a 2 by 1.25 inch steam 90, and we have a little bit of a gap there. Is it a slip? Yeah. All right, then you should mark it with a Sharpie. The last 2-inch MegaPress fitting, we're using the 2-inch iron pipe ring. Let's press. Got that deflection again. So now we're gonna have to bend this down a little bit. Flying pitch on our dry return. Okay, Peter, we need to get a 3/4 by 6 inch black nipple, a coupling, and then a steam main air valve for the top. The homeowner brought this over. King Umberto. They're at the corner of Meacham and Hempstead Turnpike. Wow. So lunchtime is over. It was delicious. Thank you, Mrs. Homeowner.
Welcome.
See? And now I'm going to take out the HIK Micro, the B20 thermal imaging camera, and let's take a look at the steam piping that we did in this shower area. So there is the existing piping. Here is that 2x3 framing. There's that radiator going to the dining room. Here is the first Viega T. There's the second. There's that steam main air valve doing its job. There's our 290s rolled. It's calibrating, and look at that. You can't even see the temperature of the return. Perfect. And there is that steam main, which then goes up to there. Perfect. Okay.
What was in it?
I don't know. Run the shower. Very thin. Okay. And the job's not done until the sticker's there. Every time the homeowner goes down the stairs, they're gonna remember me. A little departing gift. Take care of your atmospheric gas-fired heating equipment. If there's dirt there and dust there, there's dirt and dust in the burners. You're gonna have filthy combustion. You're gonna have incomplete combustion. You're gonna have higher elevations of carbon dioxide as the byproducts of incomplete combustion going up the chimney. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider smashing that thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe. The best way to support this channel and me, Mikey Pipes, is by hitting that subscribe button if you're not already a subscriber. Thank you so much for tuning in. Until next time, be well, God bless, stay safe.